be diving straight to the Python solution of our project. And the environment I'll be working in is Jupyter Lab. This video is for those persons that really are not so familiar with Jupyter Lab and they don't know how to set it up. Let's say you have it installed on your laptop, or you have it in Anaconda. For instance, I'll be working with Anaconda in this case. So I'll show you how to open it up and how to set up the Jupyter Lab environment. Okay, close this. So I'll just go to my search bar and type Anaconda prompt. So I'm opening Jupyter Lab from Anaconda prompt. Then type Jupyter Lab. If it's Jupyter Notebook you want to open up, you can type Jupyter Notebook, but I prefer working with Jupyter Lab. So all I have to do is run that and wait for it to open up. Great. So after running that, my Jupyter Lab will automatically open up on my web browser here. As you can see. Now, before all this, I created a folder on my desktop called Cohort Analysis. Now, I want all my solution, my code, and everything to be saved inside this folder. So you can do that as well, or if you have a preferred folder, you can create that as well. So all I have to do is locate that folder where I want to save it on my desktop. It's here, the Cohort Analysis folder. I open it up and then create Python kernel. And I can rename these to solution. All right. Meaning this notebook would contain the solution of my cohort analysis. So if you're not so familiar with how to set Jupyter Lab for this project, this is how we'll do it. And we'll currently be working on this environment. From the next video, we'll proceed on working with this environment to carry out our cohort analysis and write all our Python codes here. All right, see you in the next session. Okay.